Hi everyone, so we are now looking at question 11 on this paper, quite an intriguing little one. It's to do with radians and areas. So figure 4 shows the design of a badge. It's always a badge or a logo or something like that. So, or a stage usually. Anyway, so it's a badge in this case. The shape 𝗵𝗔𝗂𝗃 is a semicircle with a center O and a diameter of 10 centimeters. OB is the arc of a circle with a center A and a radius of 5 centimeters. The region R shown, shaded in figure 4, is bound by the arc OB and the arc BC and the line OC. Find the exact area of R. Give your answer in the form A√3 plus B pi centimeter squared. Okay, so first of all, step 1, let's find the area of the semicircle. That's nice and easy to do. So we have a diameter, we're told, of 10, so OC is therefore 5. So the area of the semicircle is a half pi r squared, so a half times by pi times by 5 squared. So 25 over 2 pi is the area of the semicircle. Now here's the crux of this whole question now. We've now got to work out, I would suggest, the area of this and subtract it away from the semicircle to be left with R. Now let's think about this. Okay, so the problem we've got is we don't know what's going on over here. So imagine we've got a line drawn there. Now I hope you would agree with me that that is going to be 5 because it's the radius of the semicircle. Okay. Now equally, if I had a line drawn from A to B here, that is also going to be 5. Okay, and the reason that's also going to be 5 is because this is a sector. Okay, so this whole shape here, the shape AOB, is a sector of a circle. And so basically that means that this radius, this length here is 5. So what we've got, in fact, the key to this question is identifying that the triangle OBA is in fact equilateral. And that's a common theme actually. I've seen this idea come up a number of times in questions. So actually they're all 60 degrees, and in radians that is pi over 3. Now once we've got that idea, we've absolutely got this question sorted now. Because all we need to do now is, first of all, in order to think about the area of this little shape, what I'm going to do is I'm going to think of it in 2 sections. I'm going to think of it as the area of a sector, okay, which is OBA, and I'm going to think about it that we've got a sector and we've got a segment attached. So we have this sector here and we've got a segment attached. And this segment is going to be the same as this segment, okay? So first of all, let me find the area of our sector. Now the area of a sector is a half r squared theta. So in this case, that's going to be a half times by 5 squared times by theta, which is pi over 3. So that's 25 pi over 6 is the area of our sector. Now let's find the area of our segment, which is this one here, and it's the same as that one there. So the area of a segment is going to be the area of a sector minus the triangle. So that is going to be our 25 pi over 6 for our sector, and it's going to be take away the triangle, and we're going to use half AB sine C for that. So a half times A times B times sine of C, and sine of C is pi over 3. So therefore we've now got our expression for the area of a segment. It's 25 pi over 6 minus 25√3 over 4. Okay, so we've got everything we need now to solve this question. So let's have a look and see how we're going to finish it off. So the area of the region that we're after, this intriguing shape R is equal to the whole semicircle, and we're going to subtract the triangle, and we're going to subtract the 2 segments. Okay, so therefore the area that we're after, R, is the semicircle minus the triangle minus 2 of the segments. Okay, so what that's going to be, we know all of these elements now. So the semicircle is 25 over 2 pi. Our triangle is a half AB sine C, And we worked out previously one of the segments, and we're going to take off 2 lots of that segment, okay? So we've got 25 pi over 2 minus half AB sine C is 25 root 3 over 4, minus 2 times 25 over 6 is 25 over 3, and 2 times minus 25 root 3 over 4 is plus 25 root 3 over 2. So now we can collect like terms. So we've got minus 25 over 4 add 25 over 2, and a half take away a quarter is a quarter. So that is going to be 25 over 4 root 3 when we can collect like terms with those two. And then when we do 25 over 2 minus 25 over 3, that gives us 25 over 6. So combine those two and we've got our answer there in the required form. So we have 25 over 4 root 3, so that's our A, and we have 25 over 6 pi, so that's our B. And that is that question. Again, that was another very nice question, I think. So that's how you do question 11 on paper 1 from 2024 for Edexcel. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you in the next video.